Listen, the man said to his friend Albert, I have got this female gorilla that I bought a while back. It cost me a lot of money. The problem is that I can't find any male gorilla to mate with it. I was wondering if you would mate with my gorilla for $100. Let me think this over, replied Albert. The next day Albert went over to his friend's house and said, I will do it, only under 3 conditions. What are the conditions? Asked the friend. 1 is that there is no hugging and kissing and no foreplay. 2 is that all the children are to be raised Catholic. 3 is that you give me at least 2 weeks to come up with the $100. Who is going to interpret? You cannot understand more than you know. You can understand only that much which you know on your own. Hence, the real master does not impart information, he imparts being. He does not make you more knowledgeable, he makes you more meditative. He makes you more silent. He does not give you theories, hypotheses, philosophies. He throws you upon yourself again and again and again. And he has to do it in spite of you, even against you. Because you want clear-cut answers. You want some philosophy to cling to, some idea to believe into. And the real master will never give you any idea, any theology. In fact, he will take all ideas away from you and all theologies, Catholic and Protestant and Hindu and Mohammedan, and slowly, slowly he will leave you utterly naked so that you can see yourself as you are, not according to some idea, but actually as you are. That is revelation. That can happen within you. You need not go anywhere. Kabir will tell you the truth. Go wherever you like, to Calcutta or Tibet. If you can't find where your soul is hidden, for you the world will never be real. If you live in dreams, your world will remain nothing but dreams. Your world will remain unreal. In the East, the Buddhas have always called the world Maya, illusion, a magic show. Nothing real, nothing substantial in it. They don't mean that these trees around the Buddha hall are unreal. They don't mean that you can pass through the wall because the wall is unreal. They don't mean that whether you eat stones or bread, it doesn't matter because both are unreal. What they mean is totally different. They don't mean that this world is unreal. They simply mean that unless you drop all your dreams, You will be creating a world of your own. You will be projecting a world of your own. The real world will function only as a screen, and you will project your dreams on it. You will never see the real world. The real world is God, but you will go on projecting your own dreams, and you will live in Maya, in illusion.